In this video, we are going to learn how to install MySQL connector to Python. Okay, so for that you should make sure that Python has already been added to path. Now if Python is not already added to path, I have already made one video as to how to do that. You can just check out. I have given the link in the description. What is the second condition? The second condition is that you should ensure that MySQL is also installed in your system. What is the third condition? The third condition is that Python should also be installed into the system. Yeah, so for this, what we will do, we will at first go to the start menu and type CMD there. Now within CMD, what we will do, we will just have to check whether Python is added to path or not. For that, we will give the command. What was the command I taught in the previous video, which was Python, Python, Python dash version. And then what we will do, we'll type Python dash version and press the enter key, and it will show us the version of Python. Then let's verify whether pip is installed or not. For that, what we will do, we'll type the command for pip, which is pip dash version, and then what we will do, we'll press the enter key. Then after some time, the version of pip which is installed on this particular system will be displayed, which is 19.0.3. Now let us see the list of additional libraries which are already added into the system here. Okay, because we need to verify whether MySQL connector is installed or not. For that, the command is pip space list and then press the enter key. So here when I press the enter key, I'll see the list of additional libraries which are already installed. As you can see here, matplotlib, Qsolver, numpy, pip and many other libraries are installed. But there is nowhere that MySQL is found here. That means MySQL is not already installed into the system. Now our work will be to install MySQL connector into the system. So for that, the command is pip installed space MySQL dash then connector, CONNECTOR connector dash Python. Okay, so that's the command for installing MySQL connector. Then we'll press the enter key and then it will be connected to MySQL connector server, and then all the necessary files are being downloaded, as you can see here. Then as you can see, it is being downloaded now, and now it is being successfully installed. Now how to verify that it has been successfully installed? For verifying, we will again see by the command pip list and then press the enter key. Now if you just see the list of all the available libraries, you will find that along with the previous libraries, now we are getting MySQL connector Python also. That means MySQL connector has been successfully installed into the system. And now we are ready for doing application based on MySQL connector. Okay, so I hope that this session was useful. Thank you very much.